Whether you're a first-time homebuyer navigating the often complex world of real estate, an experienced homeowner, or you're even looking to sell your home, welcome. You're in the right place. This is the Home Services Mall YouTube channel. Here at the Home Services Mall, we've got one mission, and that is to be your one-stop shop for all of your home-related needs. From searching for trusted professionals who can help you with home services and repairs, to sourcing homeowners insurance or home warranties, our aim is to help you find easy and effective ways to manage, maintain, and even enhance your beloved home. But that's not all. We're not just here to help you with the practical, hands-on stuff. We also want to empower you with the knowledge that you need to make smart, informed decisions about your biggest purchase yet, your home. Our ultimate aim is to make home ownership as stress-free and straightforward as possible. So here on our YouTube channel, you'll find expert advice, practical solutions, and helpful tips to help you manage every aspect of home ownership. And you'll be part of a community of homeowners just like you who are navigating the joys and the challenges of owning a home. Even though home ownership represents a significant portion of net worth for many people, understanding the costs associated with buying, selling, or even leveraging equity in your investment is often misunderstood. And because we're here to support you in every aspect of the home ownership process, I would like to share with you some of the features that we offer here at the Home Services Mall to better equip you during the process. Our business offers many different features which may be of use to you depending on where you are in the process. So first, let's talk closing costs. A new homebuyer might not understand all of the costs associated with purchasing a home. And this makes sense. This is not a transaction that most of us do very frequently. But because of that, there are a lot of unknowns. And future new homebuyers may not understand that you can shop around for a closing agent, compare prices, and select an agent with lower fees. As a result, often new homebuyers are surprised by these high closing costs. That's where the Home Services Mall Buyer Cost to Close feature comes in. The Cost to Close feature allows homebuyers to search our partner network for closing agents. They can then review their fees, generate a cost to close, and view monthly payment estimates. The cost estimate provides a detailed list of costs so that the buyer can make an informed financial decision. This feature was specifically designed to help you understand what's happening as it happens with maximum input. That way you are not drastically surprised at closing. Next up is the Home Services Mall Seller Net Sheet. When selling a home, a homeowner wants to know the bottom line. How much is this going to cost them in expenses, and how much are they going to make from the sale of their real estate? The Seller Net Sheet allows sellers to search our partner network for closing agents, compare fees, and generate an estimated Seller Net Sheet. This shows the bottom line that's estimated of what they'll be bringing home at the time of closing. The third feature that I want to share with you is the Cash Out Refinance. Cash Out refinances are popular with homeowners because it allows them to access funds that they can use for a variety of other purposes. Homeowners who are interested in doing this want to know important information, like what their new monthly payment would be and how much cash they can actually receive. The Home Services Mall Cash Out Refinance feature allows homeowners to search our partner networks for agents, compare closing costs, and obtain an estimate for their new monthly payment, as well as knowing how much cash they'll be bringing home from closing. And whether you're a new homeowner or you've owned your home for a while, we all know there's a lot that goes on in home ownership. That's why we have even more features to help you along with the process. Owning a home is a super exciting milestone, but repairs, maintenance, general upkeep, improvements, all of these things end up, on average, costing a homeowner thousands over the course of a year. And if that financial pain isn't enough, homeowners typically expend hours and hours of their time, effort, and energy finding contractors or service people, professionals to help them maintain their home. I don't know about you, but I've personally scrolled through more directories than I would ever care to, and I've exhausted my personal network of trusted and reliable contacts. And that's once again where the Home Services Mall comes in handy. The Home Services Mall Local Pro service feature makes it super easy and convenient to get connected with professionals in your area. I'm talking home inspectors, movers, landscapers, plumbers, maid service, electricians, and practically any other service provider that you could even think of. You have the option to make the choice based on your own criteria, and you now have the option to access reviews so that you can make an informed decision. This tool is easy to use, it's so simple, and honestly, all you have to do is plug in your geographic location. That will provide you with a list of professionals in your area who you can contact right away. Plus, ratings and reviews provide transparency into the professional's track record, which is so important as a homeowner who's letting someone come into your space. This feature saves homeowners time and effort from having to do all of the research and contact each professional individually. And while I've previously been speaking to homeowners for this service, you don't have to be a homeowner in order to take advantage of this. If you are anyone who cares for or maintains a home, like a renter or a short-term property manager, you can also take advantage of this service. Anyone who is responsible for the repairs or the upkeep of a property would benefit from this. The Home Services Mall is also here to help you with homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance provides protection to homeowners in event of damage to their property or their belongings. It is designed to help homeowners recover financially from unexpected losses or damage to property. Lenders typically require homeowners insurance when a buyer purchases a property. However, what most homeowners may not realize is that this is a policy that renews annually, and therefore, if you're not staying on top of it, this is a missed opportunity to shop for a lower rate. The Home Services Mall Homeowners Insurance feature allows homeowners to shop around for different coverage options and premiums and compare them with their current provider. Home warranties. The Home Services Mall Home Warranty feature gives homeowners the opportunity to see what potential benefits and money-saving opportunities exist with this kind of a policy. Homeowners can shop, review coverages, and obtain a quote for additional peace of mind. We at the Home Services Mall have a plethora of features, a variety of services to help you along every single step of the way. Whether you're in the pre-purchase phase, you're ready to buy a home, you've just purchased a home, you need to refinance, or you're getting ready to sell, we're here to support you. Whether you have educational questions, or you need to find a professional, or you're ready to shop for rates, we're ready to support you in every single one of those endeavors. At any point, if you're ready to learn more, you can go to our website here to find out more information. You can also come back and drop us a comment on YouTube, let us know what question you have, and we'll get to answering it. You can also find us on TikTok or on Instagram. We look forward to hearing from you, and we hope we'll see you soon on our website.